vehicle arrives on site, the tables are on the back of the trailer. The 3 legs then get placed onto the site where the tables need to be installed. The 3 legs get attached to each other via a metal box section that gets fastened to the legs. Tabletops get onto the 3 legs, the net gets fitted into the tabletop. The 2 tabletops get fixed to the legs with metal clamps and get additionally glued onto the legs. And then your table is virtually ready to play on and ready for action. Hello there, we are Concrete Sports, the pioneers of outdoor table tennis tables. We've been supplying concrete table tennis tables for the last 12 years to the British public and Ireland. The tables come in green, grey, terracotta red. We offer a 25-year guarantee on all our concrete parts. The rest parts are made of aluminium, which will outlast obviously any of us. Concrete Sports, we have a 3-week lead time, so from placing your order, your tables will arrive within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Our installation process is short and only takes 45 minutes per table to be installed. We can install the tables anywhere you like, in your courtyard, on your front. If there isn't level ground, we make sure we level the ground. If the tables are supposed to be on grass, we put grass matting down so there will be no puddles at each end of the tables. We have been working with the NHS, we've been working with Jack Patchy, we've been supplying to Sport England, Table Tennis England, Table Tennis Ireland, prisons, hospitals, people referral units, parish councils, big cities, small cities, towns, anywhere you can imagine. We even have one table underwater in Cornwall where we put it on Lido, which in the meantime has been flooded. So our tables are not only on the ground, they're even underground. Thank you very much.